good, YouTube? Swift One here. You know, my endless thing that's been going on with ProMark drones. I got my shadow drone after the CW drone. Blah blah blah, took forever, ranted about that. The only person I commend at ProMark is a gentleman by the name of Jackson, who's hooked me up once again. Because if you guys didn't know, I didn't get a chance to post the video. Took my daughter to the park one day and was getting some footage of her playing. And she told me, you know, take it up. So I took it up, set it to return. Realized the battery was getting kind of low anyway, so I set it to return. And if you wouldn't know, if you didn't, I can't talk today. I don't know why I just can't talk. Damn thing fell out of the air from about 150 feet. Like car accident. Didn't want to look away. I couldn't help but to keep looking. The whole time I'm watching it on my phone and messing with the controller, and yeah, it just plummeted to the earth. So, let me show you what I got left. Well, here's what's left of the original GPS drone. I completely stripped it. There's not a whole lot here, because when it hit, it bounced, and it bounced hard. There's the top half of the body, and the main problem was right here. Right there's where the big factor was. There, and I started putting it back together. Was going to. That crack right there, that goes all the way through and around. So, when I found out ProMark was sending me another one, thank you once again, Jackson, I figured I'd go ahead and salvage this one for what parts I could, in hopes that I never had to contact ProMark again, on a bad note. Well, here's what they sent me. It's not the shadow drone. It's their pursuit drone. From what I've seen, it's pretty much the exact same drone. Y'all watch my videos before, you know I live in Ohio. It was very windy today. I didn't really get it above. I'm 6 foot. I didn't really get it no higher than me. Didn't seem real stable, or as stable as the shadow drone. But once again, it's extremely windy today. So what I'm going to do is I've already actually had this out and flown it, but I'm going to go ahead and do another unboxing to show you guys what you get with the Skymark by ProMark Pursuit Drone GPS drone with Follow Me technology. So, let's dive into it. And I didn't even mean to say let's dive right into it, but since I did say let's dive right into it, shout out Joe Guerrero after prison show. Watch you all the time, homie. I just gave you a shout out. You need to subscribe to me now. The Swift One. Anyway, Skymark Pursuit Drone by ProMark. You're going to notice an extreme resemblance right out the gate. They're exactly so identical. I used my shadow drone remote to control this transmitter to control this. already switched my blades out because I had red props on it. I don't really care for the color red. So I switched them to all black because you get extras. You get lots of extras. But if you look and you notice, that right there really resembles that right there. Like I said, it's really windy today. Haven't had a lot of time. I mean, I'm going to do a video here in a minute flying it around my yard, you know, whatever. Haven't really had a chance to do like an altitude test or go follow me or return home or anything like that. But I do want to say to all these people bad-mouthing ProMarks on YouTube, I've had 2 problems with ProMark, and they both got taken care of by a gentleman named Jackson. Shout out once again, Jackson. Thank you for hooking me up for a second time. They didn't have the shadow drone available to be able to send one to me right away. So, he sent me an email, and it said, "Hey, got another drone lined up for you." It's not the shadow drone, because if he was going to send me another shadow drone, it would have been refurbished. He said this one's brand new, nothing ever been done with it. He said the only difference is the name. He said it's our SkyMark pursuit drone, GPS pursuit drone. He said it's pretty much identical, different color prop blades, different name, everything like that. Same batteries, same camera, same everything else. It's like, cool, send it. So, yeah, he sent it. I've still got my VR goggles from my shadow drone. They sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 prop guards, and I think I still have like a 3 or 4 from the shadow drone that were still salvageable. Extra set of landing gear, extra props, extra little button covers for the props. Minus the shipping time. I mean, I have nothing to say bad about them. I guess if you have a GPS, I guess if you have a ProMark drone and you have a problem with it, and I see a lot of people on YouTube that are complaining about, well, customer service this, customer service that. You're right, customer service is pretty shady. But if you really want your drone fixed or replaced, you got to stay on it. And I've stayed on it so much that me and this gentleman talk, and he remembered who I was, knew that I had a YouTube channel, so on and so forth. So if you really want something, you just got to go get it. You can't just expect to, you know, if you call them and leave them a message and nobody gets back to you, continue to call. Continue to leave messages, so on and so forth. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my camera set up. I ain't really going to fly above 6 feet for this video, but I'm going to give you guys a little video. I'm going to have my camera footage on it, and then my camera footage from my drone on it. I got a little bit of time before it starts raining again, so go ahead and knock that out, and I'll see you when I see you. Hard to do in such tiny confinement. And it's really windy too. But I mean, it's a good little drone. I'll make you guys a couple more videos. Get a little altitude. This is kind of all over right now because of the wind. When the wind's not blowing though, it does do good. Well, the shadow did. Get some video of it, us recording it. Yeah, I think I said that right. Oh, that wasn't good. It's too damn windy. Alright, YouTube, I'll be back with you. Get this thing up in the air.